Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Glitter and Sparkle by Kim, where you'll find all things beauty and more. And today is going to be more. Today is going to be a Temu day, so I have a Temu haul for you today. And so with that said, we'll get started. What I want to show you is these earrings, these pretty earrings that I purchased, and I did wear them in my other video. And they are just little hearts, little diamond hearts. They are so cute, and I believe these were like $1.99. So those are really cute. I love those earrings. And the second thing I purchased was these pants. And with the clothes, some of the clothes, I'll actually put them up on the screen so you can get a better idea of what they look like. I'll put them up on the screen. And these are just simply some green dress pants. You can see. And these are just like, I don't know, they're like, let's see if it tells you what it is. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And they're a little on the thin side, but they're not too thin. But that's just something I was looking for to wear to church. Some pants to wear to church. So I think those will work perfectly. Just put those back in here. I'm just taking this stuff out of the bag. I haven't even taken them out, so. Okay. And I'm just going to put this back here on the bed. And the next thing I purchased was my favorite, and these are my pack of sponges, kitchen sponges that I use, and I buy these all the time. They're like $1, $2 at the most, but I love these sponges. And also, I will put my I will put my Temu link down below so you can get a discount, and just follow the link down below and you can get a discount on your products. And I can also put a Temu referral link down there if any of you are interested in being a Temu affiliate. So anyway, I have these. The next thing I have is this beautiful pink shirt. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is a summer shirt. And it's not too thick, not too thin, just perfect, and it fits me perfectly. All these things fit me perfectly. And again, I will put this up on the screen so that you can get a better look at these, what they look like on. The next thing I have, let's see what's in here. And these are pajamas. And these are just some little cute shorts pajamas that has some little stars and like moons and stars on them. Aren't they cute? They're like silky soft. %95 polyester, 5% spandex. I love these. These fit perfect and they are super soft. And this is the little top. And it has the little spaghetti strings up top. Yep, this fit me perfectly too. And next we'll move on to shoes. I also purchased some shoes. And so the shoes that I got, the first pair that I have, these I'll purchase to wear to church. And these are just like some little wedge heel shoes. And these are black. Has love written on the bottom of them. Aren't they pretty? And I tried these on and they look great and they feel great. They fit perfect. So I love these. I do love these. So I have the black ones. And then I have the gold ones. Show you these. These are the gold ones, and they are the same as the black, except they're gold, and they fit perfectly also. And they have the little cute little wedge here. And they got nice rubber soles, so you won't slip and fall. So that's a good thing. You don't have to worry about slipping and falling. And the next thing I purchased was a pair of sandals. And these are the sandals I purchased. They have this cute little wedge on them as well. And they have the little decorative flower on the front. And of course these are white. And they have the little rubber piece so you don't slide around. And these fit perfectly as well. I couldn't get a better fit. I'm so surprised about that. I'm so scared they weren't going to fit me. But they all fit perfectly. And the next thing I have is I did buy this Baelishi Express Collection eyeshadow palette. It's just a little palette of cute colors in it. We'll take this off. If you can see those colors, aren't they pretty? It's got yellows, pinks, blues, mauves, greens. Beautiful colors. So I got that little makeup kit, or a little makeup palette. And then I purchased these pants also. And these are, they almost feel like flannel. Almost. It doesn't say, let's see here. It doesn't say what the material on them are. But they're not thick. They're fairly thin, but they're not real thin. They're thick enough for sure. And all these have elastic waist, and they all have pockets in them. And I got these also to wear to work. And again, I will post pictures above so that you can get a better look of what they look like. And the next thing that I purchased was this little night dress. And it's just like a pretty tie-dye. It's pink and blue. And it comes down past my knees. You can wear this as pajamas, or you can wear it around the house in the summertime. But this fits perfectly too, as well. And the next thing I have are some shirts that I purchased. And the first shirt I have is this black, beautiful shirt here. And I don't know if this tells you. No, it doesn't tell you what the material is or anything, or I'd tell you. But it's a nice, it's kind of ribbed. It's a nice, soft, comfortable material, and it's got the pretty, fluffy lace sleeves here. Isn't that beautiful? I love this shirt. I tried it on. It looks beautiful. And it fit perfectly. And the next shirt I have is this one here. And this is actually the cutout shoulders. It has the three little, you put your arm through there. But it has the cutout shoulders, as you can see. I can get this out here, show you See how that is? And then it has the straps on your shoulders. And I will post a picture so you can get a better idea of what this looks like. And of course you have the zipper there that zips up and down in the front, so you can zip it as far up as you like. And this has like the little cute black and white hearts on it. Looks like silver. Looks like silver hearts. This one was the only one that didn't quite fit me right. It's a little too big in the sleeves, so I have to take the sleeves up. And then another favorite I love that I purchased, and this is the last thing that I have anyway. I have another one on the way that's got 3 or 4 items in it, but I didn't want to wait on that one because you know it does take a couple of weeks for Temu. And this is the white one I got, and I just love this beautiful spaghetti look here in the front. The way it's crisscrossed, that's beautiful. And it's got like the little beautiful little scallop sleeves. And I tried this on and it fits absolutely perfectly. And I thought that was the last thing, but the last thing I actually purchased was this little trash can. And I got this little trash can for the bathroom, and you just push the top button and it pops open. Nice little trash can. I purchased that for just a couple dollars. So most everything here was, everything I ever purchased was under $20. Most of it is under $10. Majority of it is under $10. And I think a couple of the pants were around $19 or $17, but the rest of it was, I mean, even the shoes and all was, you know, $8, $9, $10, $11. So, but this was one of my last hauls I'll be doing for a while, because I did get laid off from my job, as you know, and I'm trying hard to monetize my channel. And unfortunately, I'm still around 428 subscribers, I think, so I still have a ways to go. And I'm praying I will get there sooner than later, because I haven't been able to find another job yet, and I've been looking diligently every day and just haven't been able to find anything, and money is getting really, really, really tight. So I need to monetize this channel really fast. So anyway, this will probably be my last Temu haul for a little while. Anyway, I'm not saying I'm going to stop doing it. I'm not. I'm just going to, it's going to be a while before I'm able to do another one. But I've enjoyed doing these Temu hauls, and I hope you enjoy watching them as well. And just gives you an idea of what they have. And you know, some people are scared of Temu, but I have been shopping there for a while, and I've never had any problems whatsoever. Not the first thing. I had one thing that was missing something that came one time, and they just refunded my money right away, and I had no problem with it. And other than that, there's been no issues whatsoever. So you ought to give Temu a shot if you haven't tried it yet. It's, like I said, I've been using it for a while, and I've never had any kind of problem. So anyway, thank you for watching my Temu haul, and I hope to see you soon in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you really soon. Love you. Bye-bye.